Ever had one of those days where everything seems to go wrong? Well, brace yourself for a collection of jokes and puns that embrace the spirit of bad in various humorous ways. From bad hair days to questionable puns, these quips are here to tickle your funny bone and lighten the mood. So, let's dive into the world of bad humor. 1. Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field, even on a bad day. 2. Did you hear about the mathematician who's afraid of negative numbers? He will stop at nothing to avoid them. 3. Why was the belt arrested? It was holding up a pair of pants. 4. I told my computer I needed a break, and now it won't stop sending me vacation ads. Talk about a bad algorithm. 5. What do you call fake spaghetti? An impasta. 6. Why don't skeletons fight each other? They don't have the guts. 7. Did you hear about the cheese factory explosion? There was nothing left but debris. 8. I used to be a baker because I needed dough, but I couldn't make enough bread. It was a bad business. 9. Why did the bicycle fall over? Because it was too tired. 10. I told my wife she should embrace her mistakes. She gave me a hug.